Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Facebook experience and stop those constant event activity notifications on your page, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you step by step how to disable event activity notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, all based on the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you pick the right one. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Next, look for the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded options. This will bring you to the main settings area for your page. Now, look for the Notifications tab in the left sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the different types of notifications your page can receive. Find the section labeled Events, and click on it to expand the options. Here's the important part. Under the Events section, you'll see the option for Activity. To stop receiving notifications about event activity, simply toggle the switch to disable it. Once you do this, Facebook will stop sending you notifications for event activities on your page. And that's it. You've successfully disabled event activity notifications on your Facebook page. This quick change can help you stay focused and only get the notifications that matter most to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.